Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the present perfect interrogative. But before we can move on, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let's go. Present perfect interrogative. Examples. Have you spoken to the director about the job? So as you can see here, we have at the beginning of the sentence. You start your sentence, you begin your sentence using have or using has. This is just simple. It's just like verb to be, just like can, just like have. We place have at the beginning because have is a special verb. Have you spoken to the director about the job? 2. Have you told Joy where his lunch is? Have you told Joy where his lunch is? This is very simple. Now, if you did not study the present perfect, just check my video. I have many videos explaining about the present perfect tense. Let's go. I have some exercises to help you practice this so that you don't forget. Just check them and do them. Let's now go to the second part of our lesson, interrogative with ever. We have here some examples. 1. Have you ever visited Fortaleza de Maputo? We just place ever after you. Have you ever visited? Já visitaste Fortaleza de Maputo? Já visitaste Fortaleza de Maputo alguma vez? Have you ever ridden a bike? Já pilotaste uma moto? Have you ever ridden a bike? Já pilotaste uma moto alguma vez? See, this is the meaning of ever. And don't forget the position of ever. We place ever after the subject. So I have here some examples. Just write 3 sentences of your own, 3 original sentences in the interrogative, in the present perfect, using ever. I know that you can do that. Just do that and share your sentences with me, and let's just chat about them. Goodbye. Hey, don't forget to subscribe.